Apurva Tayal with me, and she has done very good, very brilliant in her CLAT 2022. And I'm really very proud of you, Apurva.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations to your family as well.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, everyone. So let us try to benefit from what Apurva has done, right? So Apurva, how did you decide कि आप CLAT करना चाहते हो?
Actually, I want to pursue judiciary. So when I searched how to get into it, so I came across various testimonials of students that through CLAT also we can do the BLLB degree and then we can go to judiciary and it will be very helpful. So in class 10, I decided that I will also do CLAT and achieve my goal.
So you had planned to study for CLAT from your 10th, just after 10th.
Yes, ma'am, I have planned, but I started my preparation in my class 12.
Okay, so you actually seriously prepared for it for a year only.
Yes,
So you
ma'am.
started to prepare for it seriously in 11th, 12th itself.
12th.
Okay, and you opted for which subjects?
Humanities. I opted for humanities. I had English, economics, political science, geography, and painting.
Okay, that's nice. You're a nice painter.
No.
Really? Okay, fair enough. But maybe to just, so that you don't you're not
Yes.
burdened and you're focused
Yes.
on that. Okay, good. So, because of the judiciary, you have decided to pursue CLAT. Okay. So now, when you started with your CLAT preparation, what were the key things, or what are the key things you will tell students to focus on, and they must do that kind of thing?
Actually, specifically for me, I was not good at English. Not good. But since CLAT actually tests the comprehension power of students, so I would suggest everyone to start working on your reading skills. If you are a serious CLAT aspirant, you should start reading newspaper, at least newspaper from class 11th itself, so that you don't have to face any problem in class 12. That I have faced myself in class 12 because I didn't started that in class 11th, so it was a bit difficult for me to.
Initially.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So reading newspaper is must then.
And if you are interested in reading stories or novels, including newspaper works very well because it improves your GK, it improves your reading power, it improves even the critical reasoning because you can analyze what author is trying to say, and this is what CLAT wants. The CLAT wants that students should understand what actually the passage is saying. So newspaper helps in everything. Secondly, you can read novels because novels also novels also help you to improve your language skills because you learn very many new words. Vocabulary building is also must for every competitive exam, not for only CLAT. Vocabulary building is useful for every exam. So
read a lot. Other than that, I believe I do know that you were enrolled with us, right?
Yes.
So in your 1 year course, with respect to subject, how all faculties helped you?
Actually, when I enrolled for online course, I was a bit tense with how online we can interact with teachers. But Law of Tutorial provided one-on-one interaction, easy doubt solving, and teachers were very cooperative and supportive. So yeah, throughout my journey, they helped me in every arena. So when I discussed about my weakness and my strength, so they suggested me various remedies what can I do to improve my score and all. So yeah, they proved a cherry on the cake for me. So,
right, but you were indeed talented. So in 1 year course, there are a lot of students who get enrolled, but you did actually work hard and utilized all the resources, so you were able to do it. So finally, you would like to thank for your success, like your parents, your sibling, your friends. Of course, we go with the presumption that we did contribute. But other than us, anyways, who provided you with the inspiration to make sure that you succeed?
Yes, ma'am. My parents, they helped me every stage of my preparation. They even don't go anywhere throughout my journey. So yeah, I would like to thank my parents and my siblings also. They helped me all throughout my journey. Yeah, my family was a big inspiration for me.
Right. Thank you so much, Apurva.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you everyone for joining us. Hope Apurva inspires you to make sure that you achieve your goal of getting into good law school.